The problem states the bill for repairing a car was $311. The cost for parts was $125. The cost for labor was $31 per hour. How many hours did the repair work take? So, we know the total bill is $311. The cost for parts is $125. And the labor is $31 per hour. So the equation is just going to be parts plus labor is equal to total. The equation is parts plus labor is equal to total. So we know each part, so we're just going to fill in the equation. So parts is 125. We're going to add the labor. The labor is $31 per hour, right? So it's going to be 31 times X, because they ask us how many hours does it take to repair for the repair work. And this is equal to 311, because that's the total bill. So we're looking for X is equal to the hours, because they told us that the labor was $31 per hour. So our equation is 125 plus 31x is equal to 311. Again, this is 31 times the number of hours. So to solve this, we're solving for x. So we want this part to be by itself. So we're going to bring the 125 over to this side of the equation. So we're going to subtract 125 to both sides. That's in order to bring this 125 to here. So here it cancels out. 125 minus 125 is 0. And now we're going to do 311 minus 125. This just comes out 31x. So we're going to do 311 minus 125. So 1 minus 5 we can't do. So we're going to have to go to the next number to borrow. So we're going to borrow from here. This becomes 11. And this becomes 0. So now 11 minus 5 is 6. Now again, 0 minus 2 we can't do. So we're going to have to borrow 1 from here. This becomes 2 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So this becomes 186. So once we moved over 125 to the side, we're left with 31x is equal to 186. So 31 times x is equal to 186. So to solve for x, since this is multiplication, we just do the opposite. We're going to divide by 31 to both sides. So here 31 divided by 31 is just 1, so this cancels out. We're left with x is equal to 186 divided by 31. So we have to do the division. So 31 into 186. So we have to figure out how many times is 31 going to 186. So by trial and error, we can try 6. 31 times 6. So 1 times 6 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So 31 times 6 is 186. That means that 6 times, so 31 goes into 186 6 times. Therefore, 186 divided by 31 is equal to 6. So the answer is x is equal to 6 hours. And the answer is B, 6 hours.